Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Doncaster Motorcycles. It's Friday. It's time for the workshop walk around, and I'll give you a quick lowdown on what we've got in that's going out. It looks like, in fact, it's all going out today. Let's flip that round. So, Tom's Harley, that had a brake fluid flush front and rear, and a brake check over on Wednesday, all sorted. The MP3, same deal, all sorted. That's had a rear tyre and a retest. This was the Can You Guess the Difference motorcycle, and the difference was, of course, as many guessed right, the chain sprockets have been replaced. So Phil's is all done, ready and waiting, but he's sunning it up somewhere, so I don't think he's picking it up well next week. We have got an Aprilia 200 for the dreaded O-ring issue on the tank. The tank swelled up with the ethanol fuel and caused it's leaking. It's leaking basically. I believe there's somebody that does adapter plates or something, but we are awaiting on a new O-ring to see if that will seal it and sort it. So the F900 XR, that's all sorted. That's ready for collection. That should have gone. I would have thought that would go in. That was actually supposed to go Wednesday, and yesterday was Thursday. Today is Friday, and it's definitely not gone. But it'll be collecting that soon. We've got a Versys 650. Gonna get one over. So Versys 650 we have got. That is in for fork seals today. It's not that one. It's that bad boy. So yeah, pair of forking seals on that one today. That's booked in for this afternoon. Ian's is Tracer 900 GT. That is also sorted, ready for collection. Ian, I thought you were collecting that yesterday as well. And the Husqvarna Norden, that's also done. Tell you what, there's loads to be collected, and you better collect them quick, because we'll have a boatload more dropped off on the tomorrow, which is social Saturday of the weekend. What we got in here? Did I do in here? Oh, have I just been outside? I'm losing track. Right, so the scrambler's done. The belts have finally arrived. So Neil sorted the belts on that, so Wayne will be collecting that shortly. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow. Jay's has been waiting for a master cylinder bracket broke. We don't know how. Is it still? Can you see it? Can you see it there? You can see, but basically the bottom part of the master cylinder bracket is missing. It's broke. There you go. Can you see? So it's broken. And that's pretty much it. So the BMW 310 EVAP issue, waiting for something for that. I don't know what. John's R1. In the back he's waiting for fork seals, and John's ST 1300 is waiting for a recovery truck to just take this absolute, I don't know what to call it. It's a shame, such a shame. They're fantastic bikes, and he got a T-bone, somebody pulled out on him. I've never seen one sort of smash the engine block or make a mess and rip the actual headstock out of the bike. You see there? That's the frame. So that is a write-off. Now, not bad that one, but other than that, so yeah, everything's the ball is rolling. Chief sweeper's over there, not sweeping, not dancing. He's in a bit of a mood this morning. I think he had to get up extra early. Did you get up early this morning? Yeah, down a day. No, we're in before you. Alright, we're in about 3 minutes before me this morning. Anyway, so that's the Friday workshop walk around. Let's get you a lowdown on what's happening, and that's pretty much it. So we'll throw this on before the rush starts. What else have we got in today? We have got, so other than the fork seals, we have got 2 intermediate services, 2 basic services, and about 12 MOTs. So yeah, plenty to keep going. It's Friday, you know what that means? Hey! Woo!